The connection between 3D printing and climate change is not obvious. That's why we created Massless, a framework to accelerate innovation and dramatically reduce global energy usage at the same time. The Massless mission is to reduce global energy usage by 25% by the year 2050 using the power of distributed digital manufacturing. There are 4 key principles to Massless. Number 1, massless prototyping, using digital tools such as advanced simulation and augmented reality to reduce the need for physical prototypes. Number 2, less mass, utilizing advancements in topology optimization, lightweighting, and advanced materials to create lightweight products. Number 3, less waste, 3D printing products precisely with little to no waste using additive manufacturing. Number 4, less movement, reducing the energy used to transport products by utilizing distributed digital manufacturing. Join us in the Massless mission and let's decarbonize the way we create products.